I am delighted to have the speakers Samrat Sen Gupta, Pankaj Kumar Gupta and Ashish Maheshwari. Well, as you know, the topic of this session is role of industrial pollution in the journey to net zero, which is a very difficult task, especially from the point of view of increased energy requirement, which we foresee, and it was discussed in the morning also during the inaugural session, that we have to meet the energy requirement of over 140 billion people, and day by day the energy requirement will be on the increase. And basically the energy requirement will be met through fossil fuel, which is coal, oil and gas. Renewable energy of sources emphasis is being made by the government through solar, wind, biofuels and other routes, hydrogen, etc., to very minimum extent. But primary source of energy will continue to be coal and oil and gas. Indian commitment to the global net zero issue is likely to be not commensurate with the objectives and the global targets which have been put in. Because by 2050, they want to have net zero, which is not possible as far as India is concerned, because of the obvious reasons that our energy requirement will be increasing and increasing due to increase in the population, and we have not been able to provide basic minimum energy requirement of bulb and a fan in our rural areas, and lot of electrification programs to our villages and the remote areas are still going on. So due to these social commitments and requirement of the people, we will be using energy basically based on the source available to us, which is mainly coal. So it will continue to be on coal, but at the same time, the government is trying to enhance the energy generation through solar panels, wind energy and other forms. So we will see how best it is going to be met. But already there are certain countries which are net zero compliant, like Bhutan, like Panama, Suriname, 3 I remember, there are 5 others. And Finland is likely to be net zero by 2035. But others will take time, and India has committed for 2070 to be net zero. So this is the scenario as far as the net zero is concerned. But